In Chapter 16, you'll focus on education. Education is an important social institution in all societies, and I think probably all of us would agree that without public K through 12 educational systems in place here in the United States and in many other countries, many of us would not be ready for college. If our parents had to be the ones educating us, teaching us to read and write and do math and all the things that we learn in school, again, some of us might not have received an education. Not because our parents didn't want to teach us, but because they had to work or maybe they didn't know enough to teach us themselves. And so, of course, K through 12 public school systems serve in a really important function in society. That doesn't mean that the K through 12 systems throughout the US are not without problems. So, of course, you will learn about the three sociological perspectives and how they analyze education, but you'll also be pushed to learn about some of the problems that we see in schools and how those problems result in inequalities in the quality of education that students receive. Some of you probably attended schools that you may feel did not provide the best education that some other people got who lived across town or lived in another part of the city. And so this chapter, I hope, will not only help you to understand the history of education better, the many good things that we get from education, but also some of the things that we need to fix in education. In fact, I have you write a paper that is focused on school funding. And I hope that as you write that paper, you think about what you would do to make school funding more equitable so that more children were getting a quality education. See you next week.